Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 110 of my coding journey. In this video, I'm going to be working on my React project. I have some ideas that I want to do. So I want to create a layout for the vacations page. This is the last page of my project. And I also want to finish up the cruise page. I got one more section and then that page will be done. So let's get started. I want to start off by showing you guys, let me make sure everything's recording. You guys can see everything. But I want to show you guys the wireframe that I drew up at work. If you guys follow my videos, you guys know I'm really professional with these wireframes. But yeah, so here we go. It's actually 2 images. I ran out of space on this paper. But so yeah, so this is how the vacations page is gonna look. I'm gonna have a family image and a H1 with a paragraph, a button that says start planning, and maybe that button has like an arrow pointing down. Whenever you click it, it goes to the vacations. And I'm gonna have 4 cards. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do featured, and I'm pretty sure I spelled featured wrong there. But yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna do featured because I have featured on the home page. These are the featured destinations, and I might change this here to vacations. So yeah, definitely gotta fix that. I might do like top rated vacations for the 4 cards, and then here I'm gonna have some boxes. I was gonna have all inclusive, family, adults only, just vacation type. So but all inclusive might have like a spa for the image, and family, obviously a family, and adults maybe have like a couple in the beach or something. I don't know. So that's that, and then another picture. And so this page is actually gonna be really long. So yeah, so this is another part of the right under those boxes that I just mentioned. So it's gonna have some vacations, and I want 4, 8, 12. So it's gonna be 12 vacations, basically all the vacations that we offer. Because if you guys don't know, travel agencies they're very limited on like their vacations. And I actually did that by doing some research. I thought maybe, you know, I had to pull data in from API or something to have all the data for hotels and stuff, but no, it's travel agencies. They have certain, you know, hotels that they deal with, certain cruises, certain resorts. So I'm just gonna have for 12, so 12 vacations. So this is gonna store all of them, and here is a section I don't know yet, lol. So I don't know what that section is gonna be, but I do need a divider because then a footer's going right there. Ignore my dirty my dirty fingernail right there. But yeah, so that's that, and let's get started. I think I just spent way too much time explaining things. Let me close out of this, and first things first, like I said, I want to finish up the cruise page first before I get started on that. So I want to add something here, and then like I said, I'm just doing the layout for it. So I got to change this to vacations because we added the about section to my contact page. So that's why I gotta change that to vacations, because the about section is here. It's like a little paragraph about. That's that. All right, so let's get started. So I made an image for the cruise page. So like I said, I kind of want an image to go here, and then like a H1 and some text, just a little divider. I don't know. But here's the image that I made like a little image. I use Canva. I normally make my stuff in Photoshop, but I just took the easy route out and just made this in Canva. Just dragged and dropped some images and used one of their templates. So I'm gonna see how this looks. If it don't look right, then we could just put it here for now, and then I'll replace it with my own image in Photoshop or something. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and import this. This should be really easy to do. The hardest part is coming up with the H1 and a paragraph I'm gonna write for it. That would probably be the hardest part. All right, so import, we're gonna do image from dot slash and assets slash, well, I don't think it's, what did I name it? Oh, bottom cruise .png. All right, so In the container, I want an H1. But I want the image to be on the right, so I'm gonna do an H1. And H1 could be, let's just do anything for now. We'll change it later on. So P, and I'm gonna do a lorem. Oh, I forgot, you can't do freaking lorem with this. Let's just do a lorem generator right quick. Lorem generator. I'm just gonna copy this. Seems like the right amount. Just until I come up with something. Alright, so that's that. And what I might do is actually toss this in a div. Just so they can be separated. Make sure my computer's not still on the charger. Alright, we got that. And so that's that div. And I'm gonna put my image in another div. My image, src. Dude, what is going on with everything? I don't know what's going on with my computer. I don't know what's up, man. Oh, we can just do an empty string for now. Alright. Now we should see everything. My images should be there. Nice. Alright. So let's fix this up a little bit. I got way too much stuff open. Assets. Okay, so bottom cruise. Remove the background. And the container, we could do a display flex. Actually, okay. Sorry, let me get comfortable here because I might this video might be a little too long. I'm not gonna lie. Let me make sure you guys can still see me. All right, perfect. All right, so I don't think I want so I don't think I want, so that's the container. I think I want another container in here. I'm gonna do a div. I think that's where I really mess up at a lot. I always use like the outer container as like the main container. I don't know how to explain it, but I think I always should probably do a container inside. Control V. All right, and I'm gonna give this a class name of classes dot inner. Let's just do class inner for now. And let's go ahead and start styling this a little bit. So first things first, I'm gonna give the whole thing a padding of 3 rem. And I should line it up with, I think I got 3 rem everything here. I think I do, not sure. A container, and then I'm gonna do dot inner. I'm gonna do a display flex. Okay. Nice, and it's not lined up with that. That's crazy. Maybe because it's image. I'm gonna definitely have to style an image. But display flex, and I'm gonna do the simple things: align item center and justify content center. Yeah, I'm gonna do a justify content center. So what I like doing now is, instead of doing space between, I mean space between is very helpful sometimes, but what I've been really doing is actually doing the center and giving it my own gap. But space between is really good for like especially like, I think I got space between in this nav bar. So I don't know, you could do it either way. So we gotta figure out this image now. So let's go ahead and do dot inner image, and let's do a width of 300 pixels for now. I might screw it up. Okay, it does. Let's do 500 pixels, 700 pixels. Huh. Why? Oh shit. Why is, do I got a margin bottom on these? I think I do. Huh. Yeah, I think I do. The margin bottom. I think that's what really messed me up on the last one. I mean, what I can do is this. Hold on. You can do a container. This is probably not ideal. I just want to see. So margin, do a margin top of -4 rem. Should move it up some. Cause I think I got, let's check. I think I got 4 rem margin bottom on these, but I need the margin bottom for these here, but I can't figure out how to put, remove it from these 4 and, remove it from these 4, but keep it on these 4. I know that probably you guys are probably saying, oh, that's really easy, but the way I did this is like, let me show you guys. So this is all one component. I actually use splice to get this the way it is now. So let me go to it. Where is it? Here. So this is all basically one component. It's supposed to render 8 cards, but I use splice and use props. And what I did was basically cut out from 0 to 4. So 0 and then props first card. So I can change this number to anything, and I sent this prop over to my page. Where is it? I got so many folders, man. Cruises, and I used the prop here. So first card is 4, and then if I change this to 5, it's gonna render 5. If I refresh, it should render 5. Hopefully it don't make me look stupid. There we go. All right, so yeah, 5. So like, yeah, so that's why it's basically all one component. So that's why I don't really know how to just do it with these 4. And so I don't know. I think I'm just gonna keep the negative margin on that component and just see how it goes. So let me go back. And all right, so width 700, I think that's a good width, but for some reason I don't know what's up. Maybe this needs a padding too. Do a padding. I don't think this will work. This will probably make it worse. Still padding a 3 rem as well. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's so much space here. You know what I think it is actually? Hold on, let's see. Yeah, I'm really not sure actually. All right, so this is going like underneath that. Why is it doing that? Oh wow, that's why I put a height on it. Silly me. There we go. I was wondering, like, hold on, what's going on? All right, that's perfect now. That's what I want. All right, so let's remove this padding now. It's 3 rem. All right, perfect. Let's see how it looks now. Let's go ahead and enter, be a little bit organized here. Do enter H1, and we're gonna do a actually, I mean, I could just do that instead of naming it a class, but like I said, I'm trying to be more organized. Like I could do this probably, enter, go to enter, and then do divs, and then end child 1, and then do text align center. I wonder, like is this like the ideal way to do it? Like, I mean, yeah, I mean, it looks smarter. It looks like, I don't know, it looks like I know my CSS when I'm still a noob. All right, so That's that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it like that. So that inner, I'm gonna do H1. I'm gonna do a font size. Let's do 4 rem, big, nice and big. And let's do text transform uppercase. And so for the P element, and this is why I need to learn size ASAP. I think in my next project, I'm gonna definitely use size when I do my full stack e-commerce, because like this is like a SAS moment right here, like the way I'm doing inner H1, inner div, inner P, inner, like this is like a SAS moment here. All right, so I'll probably give this a width of, let's do probably 60%. And then to get it center, you could just do a margin auto. And it should center right back. Nice. All right, let's see how this looks. All right. For now, it looks okay, I guess. I think the image needs to be a little bit bigger, or no? Maybe the text. Let's do like 5 rem. Go up a little bit more. And let's give it a margin bottom of 2 rem. All right, nice. And all right, I think we're good. Let's bring this text up a little bit. Let's do a text font size of 1.5 rem. Okay, that looks okay. All right, scroll down. Nice. All right, I mean, that looks okay. Like a little divider. Yeah, it looks okay. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. The paragraph is gonna be a little bit bigger. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm ready to work on the layout. So what I'm gonna do is probably copy just a little bit more of this. Now I'll come back and finish, like make it responsive and stuff like that. But overall, I mean, to make it responsive, I just do a flex direction column, or I could do a flex wrap right quick just to see how it looks. But I don't think I'm gonna keep using flex wrap, even though flex wrap is really good. But I don't think I'm gonna keep using it, as I heard some stories about flex wrap. All right, so inner display, and all right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and throw flex wrap on here for now. Flex wrap, and oh, see, it wrapped way too early. Like, why is that? Okay, I'm taking that off. All right, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this for now. Anything for now. It's funny. All right, so yeah, I think this is good. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in the content and stuff later on. And I don't know if this image is gonna stay like this. I might rotate it a little bit, kind of like this one here. Like how this one's like, it's not really rotated, but some of the images are rotated in there. So yeah, that's that. I say we go ahead and start working on this page. I don't know how far I've been recording, about 20 minutes. Let's get it. All right, let me make sure everything is lined up and you guys can see everything. All right, so let's get started on that layout. I closed out all of my images. I'm gonna go ahead and open the first one. And unfortunately, I don't have any data yet. I didn't type up any data for the cruise page. I mean, for the vacations page. So what I'm gonna do is probably just use the cruise data for now. So I'm just gonna use those cards and just put them as little placements for the vacations. So let's get started on this. And what I'm gonna do is just probably close out of everything and just start fresh, so I won't get confused. All right, so our layout. So header, and let's get it. So let's go to the, actually first we gotta do the nav bar. We gotta actually change it to vacations, and then go get a icon for it. All right, so pages, layouts, or we probably can just save that actually. All right, so cruise hero, contact hero. So these are all the heroes sections for it, and then the pages. All right, so I'm going to create another folder called vacation hero. I'm gonna do vacations with an S, just so I already know I'm gonna mess that up. All right, so vacations hero, and in here I'm going to do a vacations hero.js, and a vacations hero.module.css. All right. Still using modules. I don't know why I wouldn't. I mean, it's built-in, easy to use. All right, so vacations hero, and let me go ahead and import that onto the about page, but it's really vacations. So what I'm gonna do is probably, actually I'm just gonna keep it about for now and just change everything after. So let's go ahead and import vacation hero. And we might gotta do a fragment and do vacation hero. Okay, there we go. We shouldn't see anything, right? Yep, we still, okay, vacation hero, nice. All right, so let's go ahead and do how we did with this one, how I had just basically laid everything out with the color. Like I said, I'm just going to do the layout today and then start filling in the context slowly, like I did this page. If you guys haven't seen this video, this is blue everywhere. Now it's filled with content. So kind of want to do the same thing for this page. I think it's just more easier. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to give this div a class. I'm gonna do classes hero container. All right. Oh, we gotta import classes from slash vacation hero dot module dot css. Okay, and we don't really need any content in there for now. I think it should still work without it. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just hero container, and we're gonna do a width 100%, height of, I'm gonna do like 600 pixels for now, and go ahead and give it the background color, our famous aqua. Okay, there we go. So that's about, actually, instead of a height of 600, I kind of want this to be same thing as my cruise page. So I'm gonna do a 50 VH or something like that. I think that's a really good height. I think that's, well, no, this is, I actually, oh, I think I did change it. I think it's 75 VH now. But yeah, something like that. So nice big image here, and let me bring over. So it's gonna be I don't know if you guys can see. It'll be a nice big image. Make it smaller. I don't know why it doesn't like shrink with it. It's just like so it's gonna be a nice image here and H1 and a nice paragraph and a button. Start planning. So that's that. So the hidden layout is done. And now let's do our 4 cards. And like I said, I'm just gonna probably just use the cruise cards for now. And then I still have to type up some data for these vacations. I think that's probably the most boring part, is actually doing the data for all this shit. I actually type it up. And find the images, find, you know, descriptions and stuff like that. So that's probably the most boring part of this project, I'm not gonna lie. But it got to get done, and luckily this is the last page. And yeah, so let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, so I'm trying to think. So for the about, I'm gonna go ahead and import, and what I'm gonna do is do delete or temporary, just so I can know. I spelled temporary wrong. How you spell temporary? Temporary. Temp. I'm just gonna do temp because I can't spell temporary. Is that how you spell temporary, or is it just temporary? Oh my gosh, so stupid. Temporary. There we go. I think that's how you spell it. Hopefully I'm not looking stupid. All right, so temporary. All right, so we're gonna do an import of cruise. Where is it? I don't know what it is. Is it cruise cards? Yeah, it's definitely cruise cards. Okay, so cruise cards. Okay, there we go. And luckily I got that splice on it, so I can go ahead and just automatically put 4 cards here. So easy. So I'm gonna do, under here is gonna be cruise cards, and then I forgot what I named the prop. Is it first cards, I believe? And then I'm gonna do 4. Should just display 4, if I'm not mistaken. If it works, refresh. Nope, it did it. Oh, I spelled cards wrong. I said first cards. Really? Ain't no card shop. There we go. So 4 cards. And yeah, so we got that layout. That's checked off. Actually, you know what? Since we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and I probably should make. I was about to say I probably should make the actual. Let me think here. So what I'm gonna do is probably go ahead and make a vacations cards component. Vacation cards. Make sure I put my S on it because I will forget. All right, so vacation cards, and I'm gonna go ahead and do not a folder. I'm gonna do vacation vacations cards .js, and then vacation cards module .css. And what I'm gonna do is, instead of putting this temporary cruise cards here, I think I might just go ahead and put it inside of my vacations cards, and then just change it whenever I do the data. I think that'll be much better. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and import my CSS, and it's import classes from vacation cards dot slash vacation cards dot module dot css. Okay, and let me go ahead and do my temporary. Hopefully I spell it right. Temporary. And this is going to be imports. And this is going to be cruise cards. All right, perfect. And go ahead and return a div. And in this div, I'm going to have a h1. It's going to say, I don't know, top rated vacations for now. And I probably should wrap this in its own div. Perfect. And then inside this div, actually I don't think I should put that inside a div since it's already in a div in the cruise cards, I believe. So I'm just going to go ahead and just render that out. So cruise cards, and I'm going to put my prop in. So it's going to do first cards. I probably should change this prop name. First cards, really. First cards, I'm just going to do 4, and it should render me 4 cards. Wait, where's this up about? Oh, it shouldn't render actually, because we got to import my vacation cards now into this one. Vacation cards. Okay, there we go. And there we go. We got our logo there. I don't want to add any margin or anything right now because, like I said, I don't know how big this is going to be, so I don't want to do any spacing or really like sizing, but I just wanted to just put the title there. I mean, what we could do is go ahead and center it, I guess, just to, and maybe put like a little margin top, I guess, just to make it look okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just give this a class name of classes dot, checking the time to make sure I got time, classes dot container. That's the cool thing about modules. I got like 40 containers in this entire project, but I can do container on this one now because it's modules. So container, and I'm just gonna probably do a text align center, and I should center h1. There we go. And I mean, I still gotta grab it anyway. I want to add a little bit of margin on top. So I'm gonna do a container, and I'm gonna just grab it h1, and I'll do a margin up of just 3 rem. All right, perfect. So it's gonna be just like this. So get our header, go back, get our header, image, h1 gonna be over there, nice paragraph, a button that says start planning, and it's gonna be top rated vacations. It's gonna be 4 cards here. And then now we need that vacation type section. So let's go ahead and do that right quick. Just fill it in down there. So let's go over to components. And I really need help with folder structure, I guess that's what they call it, because like I got shit everywhere, man. Like I got components. I try to be organized with this stuff, but I don't think I'm too organized with it, but I try. It's just stuff everywhere. All right, so vacation page, and here, oh, what just happened? Oh, okay. Vacation, where did it go? Okay, vacation page. I'm going to go ahead and make another folder. It's gonna be, what is that? Vacation types. Vacation types. Vacation types. Yeah, I'm just gonna do vacation types. Our vacation types, and then in here we're gonna do a vacations type .js, and then a vacation type module .css, and I forgot my S. Okay, there we go. And what's another section, just so I can go ahead and make the files for it. So we got that. Where's my other image? So this image is done for now. Let's go to my other image. So here's just gonna be, we're just gonna render more cards, right? Okay, now I got some thinking to do, some logic. This is what I like. I like the lot when I gotta figure out the logic. Because figuring out the logic for these cards. Whoa, speaking of that, it's like my tags and stuff. That's weird. Why is it doing that? Luckily, these are just placement cards. I wonder if it's like that for all of them, though. Hold on. Okay, my tags are still here. Nice. But yeah, speaking of, I'm glad I went to this page, but the logic for these was probably one of the hardest things that I did. That I figured out. It wasn't, let me put it this way. It was hard figuring it out, but it was an easy method that I found. Like, it was easier than I thought. Let me put it that way. But yeah, that the logic for these, getting these tags and the rating system to work, it was pretty tough, but after I did it, I found out it was actually pretty easy. So yeah, I'm gonna have 12 cards. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to think of that logic. So let's go ahead and keep that open so we can finish this off. All right, so the next section in the components is gonna be the bottom. Let me just go ahead and make that folder right quick. So it's gonna be vacations bottom, and go ahead and just do the boring stuff. Vacations bottoms bottom.js, and then a vacation bottoms module CSS. All right, perfect. All right, let me see how long we've been recording. All right, we've been recording for a little while now. Go ahead and move this over. All right, everything is good. All right, perfect. All right, so go back to the vacations page. All right, so we got that, and now let's add that vacation bottom section. So RAFE, move that. Now we're gonna do a div with a class name container. Oh. Wait, I just thought about something. Did I put, when I was talking all that crap about me doing container for, did I put classes dot container, or did I just put container? Where was I just at? I was in vacation cards, right? Okay, I did. I was about to say, would have been so weird. All right, so let's go ahead and import classes from / vacation. Well, this is vacations bottom. Why am I doing this right now? Well, since we're here, might as well. Module CSS. So yeah, we could just keep that for now. What I'm gonna do is probably just copy this just to make it so much easier. Copy, and then go over to vacation types, and then just change this to vacation types. Vacation types, keep the container, and then change this to vacation types. Okay. And so it's vacation type, not types. Type and vacation type. All right. So let's go ahead and import this to our page. I don't know why I say our page, my page. This ain't y'all project. I don't think y'all is trying to steal my project. All right, so vacation cards, and then down here I'm gonna do a vacation type. Vacation type should auto import, nice. And let's go ahead and just style it up a little bit. Put our little blue. Okay, can resolve module.css. Pretty sure I probably spelled it wrong. Vacation. Okay, I see what I did. Where is it? Wait, huh? Page types. Confused. Oh, now I see what I did. Vacation type. There we go. All right, let's do a dot container with 100%. And we just probably do like a height for now of like, I don't know, 300 pixels. And a background color of our nice aqua. All right, there we go. So that's gonna be the box section, which I already closed out the image, but yeah, it's gonna be the box section. And now for our cards, what I'm gonna do is, because I gotta think of some logic for that, because I'm gonna have top rated here, and then I have 12 cards here. So I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know. We'll see. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and render out the 12 cards. Let me what I can do is probably just copy this, copy, and then just paste, and then paste, and then paste. There we go. Should render out 12 cards. Oh no, we got vacations. You know what? Just to make it easier, and I can just switch it up when I'm done. Let's go ahead and add our, do a temporary for now, and go ahead and import cruise cards, and then cruise cards, and then do our prop. Let's do first cards equals 4. All right, and now we should just be able to copy this. 1, 2, 3. All right, so there we go. So that's how I want it. Nice. So header, top rated vacations, a little divider from the top rated. It's gonna be like some boxes. It's gonna look nice. And then here, probably have like all vacation text there, and then have, you know, all our vacations. And now for the bottom, go ahead and do dot container. Give this a width of 100% and a height of, I don't know, to 500 pixels, and then a background color of aqua. And now let's go ahead and import it on our vacations page. what is it called again? Vacations bottom. And I need to remove that from my temporary section because I will delete it probably if it is. I wouldn't. Alright, so there we go. We got that section. Now let's add the footer. And just so I can, because I'm a little picky, let's just bring the height down to like 350. Not too big. Alright. Nice, and let's go ahead and add our footer. So one thing I like about React is like these reusable like components and stuff, man. It's like really helpful. Footer. And why is it not auto coming in, man? I gotta go searching for this thing probably. Footer, yep, that sucks. Alright, so dot slash actually, okay, it's in components. Slash footer slash footer. I was like, hold on, wait, I know that's not it. Okay, footer. Our footer should be here now. There we go. Got our nice footer, and there we go. This is how the page is gonna look. So I'm gonna start filling it up with content like I did on this cruise page. So yeah, I think I might go ahead and change this. I got a little bit of time left. I think I might go ahead and change this out. The vacations to vacations. I might give this some more space as well. Like it's just these images too. Don't they look a little bit stretched? Like they don't look like natural. Doesn't. I don't know. So I think I might fix those as well. But site's coming along really, really nice. All right, nice. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and change that to vacations. I haven't been in a nav bar in a while. Nav bar. This is the first thing I made. Memories, man. Yeah, I remember this. I made the nav bar on camera. That was my first time ever making a React nav bar, I believe. Yeah, with React. And yeah. All right, so let's get started. So where is nav bar items? Okay. All right, so yeah, this would be really easy to do actually. So yeah, I'm using Font Awesome, and I just want to change this to vacations. I don't know how it's gonna look though. Oh, okay, yeah, there we go. Vacations, nav link, class, URL. I mean, I gotta change like the URLs and stuff. So vacations. But I think if I change it here, I think it should change everywhere. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, maybe not. All right, so yeah, I definitely gotta fix that. Oh yeah, because I got the about page. Okay. All right, so vacations, and I do want to change the logo. So let's go ahead over to Font Awesome. And I mean, not the logo, the icon. My mouth is so dry. Hopefully I don't got like white stuff around my lips. My mouth is so dry. All right. Water tastes weird. All right, so I already got an account. Why is it? I already got an account. Wait. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. Oh, awesome. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and just open everything up on here. All right. It signed me out here too? Really? Come on. You kidding me? Okay, maybe sign in. Okay, let me sign in. Hopefully it's the password. Alright, perfect. Alright, so I want, so for vacations, I kind of just want like a palm tree or something. I don't know. Palm tree? There we go. That looks nice. Alright, so which one is free? Oh, they switched up their whole. Oh, this is nice. They switched it up. Dark. Nice. Is this free? Let me make sure. I got solid for most of them. You can change the color now. Nice. Okay. This is nice. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just go with this. So FA, copy this. Okay. I'm just gonna copy the whole thing. Put it here. Take off that. Take off. Alright. Yeah, that looks. Where'd it go? Oh, you know why? They tricked me. This is must be a paid there's no way it's paid though, right? Wouldn't it show paid? Yeah, let's look at one that I know this is paid. Are all these paid, bro? Or maybe just copy that. Let's see. Yeah, I think these are paid, man. That sucks. What is? Oh, free. There we go. Ah, these are only free ones. A palm, actual palm of. Oh my god, really? Sun. Let's do like a sun, maybe. There we go. Nice sun. I think that looks nice. Oh, that one. This umbrella on the beach. It's perfect. But it looks like a mushroom. Yeah, it looks like a mushroom. I'd rather just have a sun. Or, yeah, like a sun, I guess, for now. Yeah, I guess I'll do the sun. FA salad, FA sun. I'm just gonna type it in. FA salad, FA sun. Alright. So hopefully we get my sun. Nice. Okay. That doesn't look bad. Vacations. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that. Nice. Alright, let's go ahead and get our routing done and change this page name to vacations.js. Vacations. Alright. Now we gotta go over to where our routes and stuff is at. And here. And change this to import vacations and vacations and vacations. I think that should be everything we gotta do. Okay, nope, there we go. Nice. We got our home. Our destinations. Image is still going slow. I saw a comment recommending a bunch of stuff. Definitely gonna look into it. So to see why my images are going slow, loading slow and stuff. And this page, make sure my vacations page work. Nice. Got the layout done. Just exactly how I want it. It's beautiful. Contact section. Everything moving slow like usual. I like that. So yeah, that's nice. How much time I got left? I might work on the cruise page just a little bit more. We're going over an hour a little bit, so got a little bit more time. All right, so these images, they look a little stretched. So I want to. Why am I clicking on cruise cards? Where are we at? Cruise components, cruise partners, cruise that. All right. So they look a little stretched. I don't know if it's because of the. I don't know. Let's just see if we can make them look a little better. Let's bring it up to like 220 maybe. Okay, maybe not that much. Let's do 190. Yeah, that's not doing anything. What about maybe make the gap a little bit bigger? Let's do 7 room. Like a little too close. Maybe that's why. Just give it some room to breathe. It's just really these two that look stretched. So I think it's just the images. I might gotta just find different images. Yeah, they don't look right. Yeah, they like look on mobile. I just noticed this. Like look on mobile. Yeah, these gotta get fixed. Definitely. I don't know what. Yeah, look at that. But I wonder why do it look like this on mobile? Oh, I see why. Look how much. Yeah, look how much padding this image here has on the inside of the image. So it's really this one that's really messing everything up, I think. Actually, this one too has some padding. Like these ones are good. It's just taking up the space that it needs. That's the type of images that I look for when I'm looking for like transparent images. So yeah, these are taking up all the space it needs, but these are here. They have like padding on the bottom and the top, and this one has padding on the left, top, bottom. These ones are good at taking up the space it needs. So I think I might switch out these two here and find new images, even though I thought those are the best looking ones, which sucks. So, all right. So yeah, I think that's really it for this video. I probably won't work on this project for maybe like 1 or 2 days. I do want to start filling in some content. I'm gonna do all this miscellaneous stuff off camera, like fix this section up some more. Now that I'm here, I kind of want to add like a background color to this, and maybe nah, I think this looks nice. So yeah, I want to add some paragraph here, make it look a little better than that. It looks a little plain. Fix this section up and start working on the vacations page, start filling it up with content. And like I mentioned in the last video, I might not put a backend on this site because I have plans to start a full stack e-commerce site for my next project. Doing a lot of research and really want to create an e-commerce site, like a full stack e-commerce site. So I don't know if I'm gonna add a backend to it. I might slowly do it. I might just go ahead and do both, do the full stack e-commerce site, and also do the backend version, add a backend to this. So I'm not sure yet if what I'm gonna do, but for now I'm probably just stick with just completing the front end and go ahead and deploy it, and you guys can take a look. And yeah, I think I might start my next project here in a few weeks. And yep, still haven't deployed my my weather app as well, so I definitely want to deploy that here in a few days. I have some bugs that I gotta fix on it. There's some silly bugs that I don't even want to talk about it. I screwed that thing up. I tried to add features to it, and I really screwed it up. So I gotta fix some bugs on that, and it kind of frustrated me a little bit the other day, and I just closed it out. But I do plan on going back to it and start working on it, and hopefully I deploy it here in a few days, and you guys can check it out at antoniorogers.com/weather app. That's most likely going to be the domain for it. And yeah, you guys don't use Apple Weather app. Go to my weather app if you gotta look up the weather. I told my wife downstairs, I was like, don't ever use Apple anymore. You go to antoniorogers.com and you use my weather app. It's the same exact data, and I probably won't show the wind speed and the humidity and stuff like that. And yeah, but I can if you guys want it. But make sure you guys go to my weather app and don't go to Apple or Samsung, whatever phone you got. Go to my weather app if you want to look up the weather, okay? But that's it for me today. That's it. That is day 110, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.